Empire they say Donald Trump babefa Okudzeto Ablakwa na se fam so no. Kwase afọ atime Venezuela and fire ho. Asem Venezuela and fire ho. Na wo Okudzeto wakotwa won letter. Won me Ghana for yet America for ho.
Is that why any children will say buchi ayakwa wonchoma? Why any children will say buchi ayakwa wonchoma?
Me person make command in children when I na me refi. Who the fuck is Ghana to warn America? Who the fuck are you? Ah? What do you wobika? The pakwa kasana will can be. You are talking. Warning America. Who the fuck are you to tell America what to do? Ah? Ah?
If you shoot talking.
Okudzeto Ablakwa, what did you say? Who did
you say? Ultimatum, you know. America ultimatum, you know. I say immediately release.
Immediately. Release immediately. With immediately.
No, so you are too bomba. We know Dimrika.
He's not talking for Ghanaians. He's talking for himself. Because we Ghanaians, we don't have any problem with America. In fact, we don't have any problem with what Donald Trump does. We do not have any opinion on it either.
At all. We are on a line.
Asia was saying, what if it's a ban too, Moso? What if it's a ban at two, Moso? Now, what do you like? Nyamia Buanu, ye frimu. Ama yenu anu emema ni mrantie koje visa na world cup yo ma be hu om ha fa why I was this paso why I was this ochi a ohuja so ni kompu ni tweet when him that dance me mama abo so ayo kwase ni mu abe letter say I'm warning America bitch who sent you
more fire
who sent you Okudzeto Ablakwa
more fire
who sent you
more fire
who sent you are you speaking for Ghanaians? Selfish foolish people. When you bicycle, say it's all that.
Precisely.
We are one in America. You and who? You and who is one in America? Also, you and who? Oh, Sharia, Moto Amunim Kwasiasam, Monfam Kurasam and Traleta, Embro will be America. Now, men are magic American talk Momo. Some Bodam, mind your business.
Thank you.
Mind your business. Come and account for the 240 million.
Thank you.
That's what we want to hear. We need chance to say we are one me who let them say Romu Jimmy be no I'm quite see any movie. You are who? Drones. Romu Jimmy be a crown for you are one who? One children. Asia. Do you think you are you talking for Ghanaians?
Debut.
Are you did we send you? Did we send you to write that letter? Who did you consult? How dare you write a letter to one Donald Trump? Is Donald Trump your mate?
More fire.
Because you don't respect anybody, you think Donald Trump is your mate. It is my prayer. So about the home said the Abba home and do they. Then the mother shake when 9. Write another letter from that village to America. You come and meet me here. Foolish people. You don't have respect, eh? When you get up, you come here to borrow money. Who are you to tell your masters what to do?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Asia, move your name with your resources. Who are you to tell your masters what to do? Who invited Ghana into that conversation? Who? Foolish people. Who invited Ghana into that conversation? Asia for. What benefit do we get from Venezuela? Are you people stupid?
Precisely.
Are you foolish? Can't you mind your business? Because you are stealing our money, you think it's all what? Let me see another stupid person from that foolish country writing any letter to warn anybody. In fact, you don't have any right to write any letter to even a baby in America to warn. Wow, poor them. Who made America your mates? Ghana. Who made America your mates? Asia. How can you pick a whole country and involve us in such nonsense? Donald Trump would take for us, so I was say, made the visa ban out to country. So now we need transfer. Now you do diplomatic passport. Now ordinary Ghanaians, we are suffering for bullshit we didn't call for ourselves.
So Israel identity. So Israel identity.
Stupid bitch. Write another letter to America. I will tell them all your secrets. You thieves. You come and borrow money from IMF and go and give it to small girls. Foolish people. Write another letter here. How dare you? want Donald Trump? Onye gbemi foolish people. Who invited you in this conversation?
More fire.
Muni shiambe
More fire.
Muni shiambe. If you don't have anything to do, go and lick pussy. Foolish people. If you don't have anything to do, go and lick pussy. Take America out of your mouth. They are better than you. They can fix their country. They have good healthcare system.
More fire.
As soon as you land in this country, you get employment. Write letters on how you employ nurses and doctors. How you employ teachers. Not who took Venezuela. Venezuela, Venezuela. Foolish bitches.
Yes.
Jimmy. You think you can take the whole Ghana? Maybe a part of and use my name. Why are you embarrassing me? Stupid people. Did you consult me?
Yes.
Did I tell you I am angry at what Donald Trump did?
No.
Did I tell you that?
President Afia.
BM.
When you get up in the morning, you write stupid letters and involve everybody. You can write on behalf of NDC. Nobody is stopping you. On behalf of Ghanaians, stupid bitch. Think twice.
Yes.
Think twice. Think about immigrants. Think about Ghanaians studying in this country. Stupid bitch. Useless fool. Use your head. How dare you want Donald Trump?
Dare.
Asiamu we are no more diplomatic passports. Now more than enough. Not just ordinary Ghanaian. Ye baba suamu Jimmy no. Ochra mo troleta. Monfa NDC headline. Na montro.
Precisely.
Nobody invited you in American issue. Who are you to advise America? Advise yourself. You don't even have common drinking water. Common drinking water. Pipe tree.
The constituency is the poorest of water region. Okudzeto.
The constituency.
Queen Mrs. said they so never once in 3 months. Once 3 months and Sasa baby a baba 3 months.
I can't hear just any true.
Stop it.
Or say a film so say before ba. Metrolet have been wanting Donald Trump. Do we have drinking water? Do we have drinking water? After warning them, you come and beg for money. Foolish people.
Excelente.
I said when fire who pay. Most essentially I said when fire who pay. How do we? How does that even involve us?
I don't know.
Different continent, different country, because the devil's workshop is an idle hand.
It's just Venezuela no po yeko bisa wo year corona time kura sister if you go for year no man why almost so money yen sign it. Sa Venezuela because of that cartel guy we intino bra ye go for year because we were trying to use our Russian connection to get that. O ma yen. Ayo say
the point is obi a wo say sika woni ho de oni obi nya asem na wontumi nka bi mana yi na wo yi wani
more.
And then is that not common sense?
Sana ya
Only power dano. Any will be any asem and some them found and now more quiano and metra will quiet him as I mean you were was say hello and Tigana ya one which UK on
Canada United.
Yeah, what?
Canada United.
UK father one in America.
Canada United.
Canada United.
He said, "Yeah, me no can say UK for with Commons, House of Commons, and to question you because almost your Prime Minister and can't they are Donald Trump and one man can wish you know. Omane ne na me no can say na. Now wo Ghana.
You may say what to say UK for can be. Canada for can be. Hello. Then campaign for Casadia wo Ghana ye fra hoden. Table na wa wo twa akonya kwotena so no. What you want? Mo
Sister Afia, Russia ni China crowd man kebi. Russia ni China.
Obi akana no atu. Ebi asini na ye din. Mi nkwawe TV so a Okudzeto Ablakwa. Hwan ne Ghana. Mo wane hwan. Ko kan be kan ye mo na wate. Asiafo mo de ti ko ma mo twa letter from mo Jimmy no. Sa wa boda ma hanam ti ko school wate. Okwasia no. Mete he ko school. Wo Jimmy no. Mete he ko school. Montreal from Bra. Na America phone you about say me handle mo pepepe mo Jimmy no ya sumamo Ghana, America and Venezuela, Madura, Moshiane, the minimum. When you move, I want to share.
Sister, the point is that Venezuelans, no, right? Citizens, Nankasano, they are excited. Say, I bet you presidents, no. They are not bothered. They like what Trump did. Into no, I would teach you, or your Ghana, your friend is a foreign minister, no. One afro was seeming.
Venezuela for jubilating.
They are jubilating.
The top black in the name say Antrushi.
Like, it doesn't make any sense.
I'll write any stupid letter to Donald Trump again. You people don't respect. Is Donald Trump your mate? You Okudzeto. Is Donald Trump your mate? I don't blame you. Write another letter to Donald Trump. You come and meet us here.
There's respect. Like Trump and Kuru, who so who so
Miana maybe tam dia commas.
It's on their website. Is there?
Do you guys know that?
Okudzeto black prega because of pray or prepare or prega black. Did you know?
Mama, yeah, this straight bullet.
Oprega se glass.
Running mate in disguise.
What pray? Now me and me be video. I'm Donald Trump said, "Dona, don't waste time. Go and carry him. Always skin. Oh, brother, as some from who mu kokabe kain. Like when susu no o muni kuduma o si ye. Mo letter ya mo de ba yenti. Visa ban. Say Nigeria for any brabre.
Sister, if you
when you Somalia for
39 countries so and I US flag omo. Omo be ya Ghana ye the 40th. Sankofo no. 39 countries ain't no. Se ukita a green card krana na se free country na se oba. The way they will scrutinize you at airports no. Even with green card,
have you forgotten
those countries.